Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video, I'm going to give you full guide to fix common FaceTime issue in Apple devices. FaceTime has been one of the most popular iPhone and Mac feature. FaceTime not working. We are going to start with some solution that can be applied to most of the FaceTime problem and we are not sure what the problem is. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to check if FaceTime is down or not. To check that, go to Safari and search for apple.com and check the system status. All services are operating normally. The second thing that we have to check your internet connection. Make sure that we have a stable and strong internet connection, and if you are using mobile or cellular data, then switches to 5G to 4G. The third thing that we have to check the FaceTime is turned on. To check that, go to settings, scroll down, find and tap on FaceTime and make sure that FaceTime is turned on. The fourth thing that we have to check the latest version of iOS. To check that, launch settings, connect to Wi-Fi, then tap General and tap Software Update and update your iPhone if update is available. FaceTime upside down. For that, go to Settings, scroll down, find and tap on Privacy, then tap Location Services, scroll down and tap System Services and turn on Compass Calibration. FaceTime audio not working. To fix this issue, go to Settings, scroll down, find and tap on Do Not Disturb and make sure that Do Not Disturb is disabled. FaceTime camera not working. To fix this issue, go to Settings, then tap Screen Time and tap Content and Privacy Restrictions, tap on Allowed Apps and enable FaceTime and camera. In the end, reset network settings. To reset network settings, go to Settings, then tap General and tap Reset and tap Reset Network Settings. Put your iPhone passcode and tap again Reset Network Settings in pop-up window to confirm your action. That's it. Friends, hopefully you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.